Hi, let's talk a little bit about MySolidWorks.com. There's a free level for guests, a SOLIDWORKS Subscription Service customer level, which hopefully all of you have, and a paid professional level. Today we're going to focus on the SOLIDWORKS Subscription level that comes with your SOLIDWORKS Subscription Service contract. There is a whole bunch of information in there and tools and utilities that you can utilize today. Let's jump into my computer and take a closer look and learn a little bit more about this awesome tool. Here we are at the My SOLIDWORKS landing page. And the first thing we're going to want to do is log in so we can gain full access to everything our subscription offers. And the login is the same login you use for your SOLIDWORKS.com account. Once you're logged in, your name will appear in the upper right-hand corner. So there's a lot to take a look at. Let's just jump in. First, this search bar, appropriately named Search Everything. They're not kidding. We can search any sort of SOLIDWORKS publication form with this bar. So for example, if we wanted to understand more about GeForce graphics, we can get information from the forums, the knowledge base. You do have to be logged in to get access to that, the blogs, and the web help. And very quickly, it's all in one easy to use location to digest. Jumping back to our home page, we have other things like the SOLIDWORKS User Group Network. The SOLIDWORKS User Group Network is an awesome place to meet some fantastic people, and I highly encourage you to check out your local user group using the Find a Group here. Jumping back, we have things like CAD models. This is a great place to share any sort of popular content or any awesome models that you may need for a design that you're building. There are some training. There's access to the forums. We also have access to support, and it gives you some basic information about the 3D experience and the desktop support, where you can get it, system requirements, downloads, and documentation. And if you're unsure of who your reseller is, you can go to My Reseller, and it will give you information about your reseller and any upcoming events. MySolidWorks.com is the place for all things SOLIDWORKS, and I highly encourage you to take a few moments and check it out. Wow, that's a great resource for subscription customers. All you need is access to your SOLIDWORKS.com account to get in there and start looking around today. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more great content.